Hi everyone, I'm Sangwoo Kim. In this short video, I would like to show you how to do paired sample t-test in Excel and R. I have prepared simple data. There are 15 observations, and each observation data has been gathered from same person or same object. That's why we call it paired sample t-test. In our program, we can do paired sample t-test by t.test function with paired equals true option. Then you can get paired t-test result. So once you read data into R, if you use attach function, after that you don't need to use data name in each function. So from box plot function, you can get this output. So we want to test whether the difference between pre and post period equals 0 or not. Right, let me show you how to get this important statistic. So D means difference, and double click it. Right. Mean of data can be calculated by average function, average of D, and variance VALS function. Right, and standard error, variance over square roots of variance over 15. Right, t-value is mean. T-value can be calculated by mean over standard error. Right, this is same as this one. And p-value, so we consider it's two-sided test. So 2 times 1 minus t.test x, degrees of freedom is 14 because there are 15 observations. So degrees of freedom is n-1, and true. Right, this is same as this one. So this is much lower than 5% significance level. So it means that we can reject null hypothesis, then we can accept null alternative hypothesis. So true difference in means is not equal to 0. We can accept this alternative hypothesis. Then finally, let's get a 95% confidence interval for lower bound and upper bound. So mean minus t dot inv and 0.975 comma degrees of freedom is 14 multiplied by standard error here. Right, this is same as this one, so we can use this formula for upper bound. Need to change minus to plus. All right. So this confidence interval does not include 0, right? So it means that there is significant difference between pre and post period. Also, in our program, when you specify pre and post period, please specify first and pre second. Then you can get this output, right? I hope it was useful for you to understand how to do paired t-test in Excel and R. Please click like and subscribe my channels if it was useful for you. Thank you.